Hey, good morning. Do you sometimes struggle to do your journaling, your affirmations, your meditation? Sometimes your morning routine you can't be bothered with. I get it. And what I would love to explore with you today, we are in the beautiful Wudang Mountains of China, is to try move our bodies together, to do some Tai Chi for those people like yourself maybe that don't like morning routines. And the key is you don't have energy, you do things that give you energy. So this movement we'll do together, moving with the breath, will give you some energy so that you can navigate the rest of your day with more ease. So let's meet together, hands by the sides, taking a breath here, breathing in, breathing out. And our Tai Chi salute, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left, a bow, welcoming yourself, breathing in, left hand picks up the left leg, breathing out, Qigong standing. So standing is an art in itself. Imagining there's a piece of string attached to the heavens. Feel a lengthening of your spine. Soft bend in the knees. The feet spreading. So just to get the distribution of the weight, bringing your weight into the heels, then into the toes. Heels, toes. And then can you feel your feet spreading? Landing eventually where around 70% of your weight is in the balls of your feet. So that means coming slightly further forward than you might normally do so. The bum is tucked, so not having the bum out, the bum tucked. Back of the neck is long, slight tuck in the chin. Two tiger mouths coming together, resting just below the belly button at the dantian, which for the ancient Chinese is a source of our energy. Beautiful. And inviting you to close the eyes, and that's just an option, and to find your breath. Breathing in and out through the nose. And let's take 6 balanced breaths together. Breathing in for 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in, softening the face, relaxing the forehead and the eyes. Breathing out, silently through the nose, beginning to arrive. Breathing in. Can you welcome yourself just as you are, no matter your headspace today? Breathing out, welcoming yourself no matter what's happening in your body and your heart. Breathing in. The deeper teachings here is one of softening, compassion. Breathing out, allowing ourselves to be us, at least just for this practice. Final one, breathing in. Breathing out. And ragdoll, arms are floppy. So this is movement. You can, if you're feeling a bit rigid and a bit, this is some nice moves to just shake out some energy. Just move your body, this is great. You know, sometimes meditation, just sitting down can feel too much if your mind is busy. But hey, you can move, you can soften your face, breathe down to the belly. Shoulder rolls, whole body, shoulder rolls. You don't have energy, you do things that give you energy. And this is great, because that means you can cultivate your chi through these movements, through moving with your breath, developing nervous system mastery, changing direction. Because if you soften your face, soften your belly, you develop that skill, then you become the master of your own nervous system. You learn how to soften, even in the midst of stress. Beautiful cactus breathing, spinal breathing, breathing out. Rolling the back, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. breathing out. And can all of these moves be a moving meditation? So just noticing if you're thinking right now, let the thinking mind go. Breathing in, be with your breath, be with your body. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Last one, breathing in. Softening, slowing down. Breathing out. Hip rolls, getting into all the nooks and crannies. Beautiful, changing direction. Beautiful, and the great bear swings side to side, wide stance, hands just above the knees to begin. And we're going to twist, spinal twist, breathing in, back to center, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now, can you imagine there's a post that you're getting your head under, then twist. Breathing out, under, twist. Breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Last one. Breathing in, coming up, shaking out the legs. Shake, shake, shake. Beautiful. 2 hands hold up the heavens, interlacing the fingers, breathing in, reaching up to the sky. Hold. And breathing out. Doing a forward fold. Generous bend in the knees. Breathing in, interlacing the fingers, reaching up to the sky. And breathing out, fold. Breathing in, interlacing. A longer optional breath hold here, holding. Softening the face. 3, 2, 1, breathing out. Fold. Breathing in. Hold. Breathing out. Beautiful, well done. Last one. Breathing in. Breathing out. Beautiful, arm swings. These are some nice ones to wake up some energy. How are you doing? Checking in with yourself. Are you thinking? Are you empowering thoughts of, I'm too tired to do this, can't be bothered? And can you just come back to your body? Allow yourself to move exactly as you are. The present moment can be a friend for you if you train yourself to rest there. Beautiful. Another 2. 1. Beautiful. Shake. Okay, this bounce, we're going to stay here for a minute. This is a really nice one to shake out some tension. And let's bring in warming up the voice as well. So bringing in a hum. Can that hum be down in the body? Permission to be silly. If it feels a bit weird, strengthen yourself, give it a go anyway. A strong voice leads to a strong life. Beautiful, keep going. Beautiful, keeping the bounce, letting the voice go. And just noticing, is there anything you need to shake out? Anything you need to let go? Any painful beliefs? Any judgments to yourself, to other people, to the world? Can you just empty in this moment? Empty. Beautiful, 20 more seconds, keep going. You can do this. Beautiful, let's take a sigh together, breathing in. Sigh, one more. Beautiful, slowing the bounce, slowing the bounce, slowing the bounce, slowing the bounce, slowing. landing in emptiness, present, still. You don't have energy. You do things that give you energy. And this is in your power. Gently butterflying the eyes open. Left hand picks up the left leg. Feet together, hands by the sides. Tai Chi salute, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left. Well done, celebrating you. Let me know in the comments, how did that feel? Give me an emoji. And then if you're ready to continue here on YouTube, got some other fun evening routines, other videos for you to enjoy. Blessings, balance is possible.